Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Goodnotes on Windows in 2026. Yes, you can use Goodnotes on Windows too. As you can see on my screen, I'm using Goodnotes on my Android device, my tablet. But if you want to use it on Windows, it's a bit different, but still powerful, so let's see how. In newer Windows, you're gonna find a larger screen and you're gonna find a lot of features. Now you're gonna go to the official websites of Goodnotes by opening your browser. Then you're gonna type in Goodnotes for PC or Windows, as you can see here. You're gonna type in Goodnotes just like this. For PC, for Windows, you're gonna select this from this option. Then you're gonna go to the official website of Goodnotes. Now after you visit the official website of Goodnotes, you're gonna open the web or Windows version. You can sign into your account by clicking on sign in, or even go to the Microsoft Store and download it from there. You can alternatively click on the download button, and as you can see, I'm redirected to my Play Store because it recognizes your device and it redirects you exactly to it. As you can see here, you're gonna choose Windows from these options. You're gonna click on it and you're gonna wait for the installation to be completed. This is an exe file, so you're gonna wait for it. Then you're gonna go to the Microsoft Store and download the Goodnotes application. After you download it, you're gonna make sure to log in. By logging in, you're gonna make sure to start viewing and editing your documents and access your notes through Cloud Sync. Now, use a stylus enabled device for best experience if your computer has this availability, and sync regularly to avoid data issues. Some features may be limited compared to iPad. Now, Goodnotes on Windows lets you stay productive across devices, so use it to access your notes anywhere. And if you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.